So I'm just gonna make a go completely around it like that, and then back up, go back around it. I'm just making my own sticky tape. I do like using the painter's tape because it don't stick to the rod as good, and that way there, if I do want to take it off, it's easy to take off. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna put that on there, and then we're ready. So let's take a roll of the green that we used on the tiger stripe, and we got a roll of the yellow. So let's sort of make it like a fade wrap. What we will do is we'll do like let's do 3 colors of yellow, or 2 colors of yellow, and then 3 colors of green, and so on and so forth. So that's what we're gonna do. I just like to cross over myself. I'm just holding this thread in my hand lightly. Just doing a rod wrap, 9 times out of 10 the customers want a reverse chevron. I mean, this is by far the most asked for wrap when I'm selling rods, which I don't do very much anymore, but like I said before, I'm going to speed all this up, and you can watch the speed up version, or if you want to hear the commentary and the going slow and all that, that will be, I'm going to do all unedited videos from now on the members only channel, or the members only, like the perks, you know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people just want to watch these videos, and they're not trying to build themselves a crazy rod, but they like to watch the videos. There's a lot of people like that. So what we do is, what we're gonna do now is, oh darn, we're gonna start trying to make these videos for everybody now, so that the members that want all the detail can just go on and watch the detail. was 3 green. Okay, so we're getting quite the little pile of tape on here. I am known to use way too much tape, but it's normally the blue painter's tape. This is going to be a pain in the ass to get off, I know it. But we did 2 yellow, 3 green, then we just did 4 yellow. So now we're going to do 5 green. And then we are going to see how that looks, and then we might go the other way. We might go back to 6 yellow and then switch back over. I am not sure yet, but we are about to find out. So here we go. Now this is 2, 3, 4. This is 5 green, and then we'll see where we're at. But we'll speed this up and continue on. Let's do 6 yellow and we'll wrap this up. I'm going to put another piece of tape on here. I know I built it up quite a bit, but I'd rather have built up tape than it not stick and end up in trouble. Okay, 6 yellow. Here we come. And again, we'll speed this up so you ain't gotta watch all this same old repetitive stuff. A lot of people like it, so if you like it, join the channel, and I have unedited version of this for the members only. That's our Chevron. And as you can tell, it's a good, how big is that wrap? When it's said and done, I bet you it's going to be about 14 inches. But there you go. Like I said, we're going to do a quick enhanced short version of this thing for the regular channel, because you don't want to have something over 20 minutes because you lose your retention rate, and I don't know, it's just not good, I guess. So we're going to shut this down, send a non-edited version over to the members only, and keep on moving. And I will see you. It is very late in Louisiana. It is Wednesday, I think the 31st, and it's like 11:30 at night. So I am going to run my dogs out to go to the bathroom, and I will see you guys on the next one. The next one is going to be the reverse chevron wrap. We're going to start with this and just go again. But I'll show you how we do it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate you. Members, you guys are the bomb. See you all soon. Later.